Why is VR/R ideal for immersive data visualization? Imagine stepping into a world where data surrounds you from every angle, like being inside a giant three-dimensional puzzle. That's what virtual reality and augmented reality can do for data visualization. These technologies let you see data in 3 dimensions, unlike traditional charts and graphs that are flat and limited. When you wear a virtual reality headset or use augmented reality glasses, you can walk around and interact with data as if it's a real object. This makes understanding complex information much easier because your brain naturally processes 3-dimensional space. Traditional data visualization uses 2-dimensional images on screens, which can hide relationships or patterns in large datasets. Virtual reality and augmented reality break down those barriers by creating environments where data can be viewed from different angles and scales. For example, you could look at a 3-dimensional model of a city's traffic flow or a neural network in a way that reveals connections hidden in flat images. This helps you see how different parts of the data relate to each other in real time. One big reason VR and R work so well for data visualization is that they show data in 3 dimensions. Our brains are wired to understand spatial relationships, so seeing data in a 3D space makes it easier to spot patterns and trends. You can move around, zoom in on specific points, or rearrange data elements with simple gestures or controllers. This makes exploring data more natural and engaging than clicking through static images or scrolling through spreadsheets. Another advantage is that VR and R support collaboration. Multiple users can enter the same virtual space from different locations and work together on data projects. This improves communication and helps teams brainstorm solutions faster. Being inside, the data also shows how information changes over time or how different parts are connected in space. This kind of contextual view leads to better insights and more confident decision-making. Handling large and complicated datasets is easier with VR and R because they can display many variables at once without clutter. Instead of overwhelming users with a jumble of numbers and charts, these tools organize data visually in ways that are clear and manageable. Plus, the immersive experience makes working with data more fun, encouraging users to explore more deeply and discover new relationships. In practical terms, businesses use VR and R to analyze sales trends, monitor machine performance, visualize neural networks, or study customer behavior. These tools speed up understanding and help teams act quickly on insights. So, by transforming data from static images into interactive environments, VR and augmented reality make complex information easier to grasp, more engaging, and more collaborative.